Hello everyone. Today we had a Westinghouse ceiling fan. We're gonna open this one so we can start to assemble and install. It has a ceiling fan with light design. This is the manual of our ceiling fan. This is the fan blade which has a two sides of color design, the plain and the wooden design, and all the screws are included with this base holder cover. This is the light assembly together with the switch, the cover of our light. This one. And this is our ceiling fan assembly. 60 watts. Inside the assembly, we found the motor of our ceiling fan. So this is the capacitor of our ceiling fan together with the switch, selector switch. And this is the light switch with this rotation switch forward and reverse of our fan, with two receptacle for our lights, Westinghouse brand. And our fan blade has two design. You can choose between the wooden design and the plain white color. So you will select those design. So we're gonna install the fan blade holder. In installation of the screw, you must be tighten or you select that color, plain white. Then after, the wire must be inside the hole of its pieces. The base cover, and then this base holder. Then put the lock of our ceiling fan base. Then you put the screw and tighten also. All screw must be tightened. And this is our ceiling fan base that you put in the ceiling. This color black. Okay. So you just follow the wiring connection guide, and after that's our ceiling fan installation. Thanks for watching everyone.